This is Olaplex No.7, and I'm going to do a demo for you of how well it works. So just to use it, take the cap off, turn it upside down, get a few drops out like so. That's what it looks like. You're going to run that through your hair. And what this is doing is it's preventing frizz, it's taming your flyaways, it's going to give you good shine, and it also gives you UV heat protectant and heat from your straightening iron or curling iron, whatever you're going to use, up to 450 degrees. Smell-wise, it has a really nice fresh smell to it. And now, let's go. All right, check it out. That's a pretty dramatic difference. And the time that took me when it was not fast forwarded was 3 minutes. That's it. So this is incredible. If you use hot tools, I crank mine up to 450. This is gonna protect it. I actually saw some steam even coming off my hair. My hair does not feel damaged. If anything, it feels very soft and way, way shinier. So in 3 minutes, I was able to refresh it thanks to Olaplex 7.